Hey YouTube, out here at the lake. I need to install a electrical distribution panel on this pole right here. We need to make a rack to hold that panel. It's hardwired in over there at the pole. We got the panel already on the back of the laundry room, which is going to run the water well over there. It's also going to run this RV spot right here. This spot up here, this one over here, and this one down here is actually going to be run off of this distribution panel, and the septic system is going to be over there in that corner. We're going to have to pipe to it too. So I'll set you up here. I need to dig some holes, get some posts in, get them set up so they'll be good to go for tomorrow. Alright everybody, I cut out these brackets down here. We're going to weld them up here on this post, and then we're going to mount our electrical distribution up here on this post. I forgot my welding helmet, so we're going to try it with shades. Do not do this at home. we got our meter in here at the RV park. So we got hot out to our main distribution panel, and we got hot to the back of our building here. So next week we're gonna get some wire up the well, get these 5 RV sites wired in, and hopefully get some water pipe to them, and we'll just be waiting on septic. So pretty good couple of days out here all in all. I'd say success. We got power.